it's another hair toning video. Originally it was gonna be a hair color video, but I was at Sally's and then I saw, so you know what, why don't we try the first toner that I ever tried and that is just so popular that when you go to Sally's, you walk in trying to go blonde, they just recommend this one. It's like, why do they recommend, you know what I'm talking about, why do they recommend T18? Like, why? It's like, I don't know. I mean, your hair needs to be very, 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 very light in order to do that route. And then even then, I'm looking at my hair, is it even gonna go? Is it even gonna work? You know? I'm questioning it. So, but yeah, I'm gonna try it out. I do know that my hair is a lot better than it was the first time I went blonde, and it is a lot lighter because yeah, when I went blonde the first time around, that shit was not light and I still used T18 like an idiot. But yeah, I know better now. Hopefully. Okay, so I just came out of the shower. My hair is nicely damped. I already divided it, combed it out. Right now I am going to start mixing just one bottle, and I'll be mixing that with 20 developer. Originally I was thinking of using 10 because using 10 developer is just to deposit the color, no lifting power. But I was thinking, well, I do feel that I have some parts in my hair that are just a little yellow still, and then with the 20 developer, it'll help lift up those sections just one more level in order to get a nice even color. So this is how it looks like after showering off the toner. I think I touched up everything pretty well. I'm more anxious and more excited to see how this looks once it's dry and styled. But yeah, it's so this is the results of the Wella T18 toner, lightest dash blonde. I think that's what it's called. Personally, I'm not upset with the outcome. If anything, I'm just glad it looks okay. The only issue I ran into is, even though I bleached my roots lightest, very light pale blonde, the toner did kind of tone it, but didn't tone it all the way, so that's why I do have a little bit of yellowness there. So right here, I am right in front of my living room window, natural lighting. So right here, you will see how it looks like in the outside when the sun hits it, or like in the shade. So you notice it's just it looks even lighter, or like it looks still get like those yellow tones there, but it's still pretty. And so I'm still happy with how this came out. I did buy purple shampoo though. Let me bring it. I ended up getting the Matrix Total Rescue So Silver. This I will only be applying it on the yellow parts on my hair and let it sit for a few minutes. So yeah, hopefully that takes out the yellowness in my hair. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys see how it looks like with just using the T18 toner, and this is pretty much what I got. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And yeah, hopefully this works. So we'll see. So this is the results of me using the Matrix Total Results So Silver, and honestly I don't see a difference. I really don't. My roots are still have a yellow tinge to it, but at this point, whatever. I do want to give T18 another chance. I've been hearing to put a little bit of drops of 050 to cancel more of the yellowness, so I will possibly try that next time around. And again, they say that if you put too much, it turns your hair gray, so yeah. I don't know, any suggestion would help. Any tips, I would like to try it out. I really want to like tackle this color, so yeah. Blonde hair is a lot of maintenance. It is. It's pretty, but it's a lot of work, and I mean sometimes I get lazy and shit, so yeah. But I really want to give it another go. Make sure that the next time around I tackle those roots and be like, yes, I could do this. I mean, it's a learning experience, and then I'm also showing you guys, you know, that not every time I do my hair is a success. I wouldn't call this a total fail, but for sure it could be an improvement. So yeah. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, subscribe. But yes, thank you so much for watching.